All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're mapping out the ultimate free AI toolbox, pulling the best insights straight from the incredible library of the AI+tec channel. If you've been feeling, completely paralyzed by the sheer volume of AI updates, or if you're just exhausted from draining your bank account every single month on a dozen different software subscriptions, well, you are in the exact right place.
You know, this quote right here, "Welcome to the future of AI and technology." It's literally the core promise of the AI+tec channel. It's not just some catchy tagline, it's a mission statement to guide us out of that software overwhelm and straight into a highly efficient future. They do the heavy lifting of testing all these tools so that you don't have to.
So, here's our game plan for today. We're going to cover 1. Welcome to the AI future. 2. The big 4 AI models. 3. Replacing paid software. 4. Free creative and coding tools. And finally, 5. Smarter tech, simpler life. Let's get into it.
Section 2. The big 4 AI models. These are your core engines. Now, AI+tec has these amazing, dedicated guides on the 4 absolute titans of the space right now. We're talking ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity AI. Honestly, getting a solid grip on these specific models is step number 1 for building your personalized toolbox. Because while almost every other app you're going to use is essentially a vehicle built right on top of one of these 4 engines.
When you're picking your engine, it really helps to look at their specific strengths. So on one side, you've got Google's advanced Gemini and the wildly popular ChatGPT, both just fantastic for heavy general-purpose tasks. But on the flip side, you have Claude, which is a really distinct and capable family of AI, and Perplexity AI, which absolutely crushes it when it comes to search and discovery.
Moving on to Section 3, replacing expensive paid software. Your free, everyday tools. Take a second and really think about your monthly tech bills. Go on, add up what you're dropping on productivity apps, audio editors, and research databases. It's a lot, right? So why keep paying when free AI tools can just step in and do the heavy lifting? The AI+tec channel proves that you absolutely do not need to empty your wallet to access top-tier technology. Actually, you can completely overhaul your workflow using just 3 categories of heavily vetted, totally free tools: audio, research, and presentations. You know, those relentless daily grind tasks that usually swallow up your entire afternoon. Yeah, those can now be automated for exactly $0. Take audio, for example. Whether you're a content creator, a podcaster, or just a student working on a project, AI+tec shows how you can get literal editing magic right at your fingertips for free. We're talking about stripping out background noise and massively boosting voice clarity. That is stuff that used to require incredibly expensive pro-level studio software. And when you combine their top recommended free research tools with the best free presentation apps, wow. You can compile complex data and pitch ideas faster than ever before. Just imagine it. You have one AI acting as your personal researcher gathering the facts, and another free AI instantly, effortlessly formatting all of that into a slick slide deck. It's a total game changer.
All right, Section 4, free creative and coding tools. Consider these your power-ups for creators.
So going way beyond basic office chores, these are your specialized creator power-ups. We're talking deep dives into powerful apps that can generate viral YouTube scripts, whip up beautiful images, and even write complex code, all completely for free. This is where AI stops being a neat trick and becomes a massive multiplier for your creative output.
For the technical folks tuning in, leaning on the best free AI coding apps is going to drastically slash your development time. Having an intelligent AI Copilot there to help you write, debug, and ship complex code, it's basically like having a senior developer looking over your shoulder, but without that crazy expensive hourly consulting fee. And hey, if you're more visually inclined, their guide to the best free AI image generators completely proves you do not need a massive agency budget to produce stunning graphics. You can create high-quality, perfectly tailored visuals on demand, completely bypassing expensive graphic design software.
But we do need to make a really crucial distinction here. While audio, coding, and images have these fantastic free options, AI+tec specifically points out that top-tier AI text-to-video apps, especially the ones you'd use for high-end YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram marketing, those usually still sit behind a paywall. It's a fantastic reality check on exactly where to save your money and where you might actually need to invest a little.
Which brings us to Section 5, Smarter Tech, Simpler Life. Let's talk mobile integration.
See, AI+tec doesn't just throw a list of apps at you and walk away. They advocate for a philosophy they call smarter tech, simpler life. It's really about leveraging very specific AI tips and tricks to drastically reduce the digital friction in your day-to-day. The ultimate goal here is making your technology work for you rather than the other way around.
A massive part of achieving that simpler life is understanding the role of AI on your iPhone or Android. This is where the rubber really meets the road. It's about seamlessly integrating these insanely powerful tools, those foundational models and the free everyday apps into your daily mobile habits. That way you have this massive power anywhere you go.
If we synthesize everything from the channel's library, building a highly effective, totally free workflow really comes down to 3 simple steps. First, you pick your engine, like ChatGPT. Second, you select your specific free AI apps for those daily tasks. And third, you integrate those tools directly into your iPhone or Android workflow. That's the formula right there.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a challenge to really put this all into practice. Based on the comprehensive AI masterclass we just went through, which expensive subscription are you finally going to cancel today? And what free AI tool are you going to use to replace it? Seriously, think about it, take action.
Thanks for watching AI Tech. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.